Hello, there are some copies of the books in openlibrary.org. So to find the books, all you need to do is type the title into the search box at the top. So if you just type in Brave New World, you'll see that there are several editions in here. You want to make sure that the authors match, but to actually read the book, all you have to do is click on Borrow. It's going to ask you to log in. If you've never checked out a book from Open Library, all you have to do is sign up with this link right here. It just creates a free account. I already have an account in here, so I just put in my information and click on Login. Once I've logged in, I can see that the book opens up and I have all these tools surrounding the book, but I'm actually reading a scanned copy of this particular book. You'll see that I can download the PDF right here, and I have a 14-day checkout, so I have 13 days left, and I can return the book early. Now, for policies about this particular item, you can go to the borrowing policies, and I've shared the link with you, and it'll give you all the details on how you can borrow books and things like that. So you can always return it, and you can check out up to 5 items at a time. So you can always go back and do another search right here and search for your next one, Handmaid's Tale. You'll see it's not the exact ISBN of the one that you're looking for, but again, you can do your borrowing right here. Once you're logged in, it just takes you directly to the book. So it's really quick, it's really easy, and it's free.